Hello, Alexandra here, creator and founder of the Stress to Wealth movement. In this video, I'll be doing a compensation plan review for you. Maybe you landed on this video because you're doing your research. You want to know exactly what the compensation plan of $25 one-up is and exactly how you can make money using this system. If you are, just stay tuned. $25 one-up, I don't know if you watch my other videos, is a direct sell product that you're selling a training platform, and every time someone purchases this training from you, you get paid 100% commission directly to you. That money doesn't go to the company, it go directly to you. Whatever the payment that you set up to get paid, either PayPal, Pazer, Authorized Net, Stripe, whatever the merchant that you're using to get paid, that money will get transferred to you directly, instantly, on a daily basis. You might be exactly wondering how many what the level that you are getting. Right now there are two levels. There are two levels. There's the gold level and the platinum level. They will be adding the diamond level and the enterprise level really soon. What that will do, that will unlock higher commission for you to get more money into your bank account. The $25 level, that's the gold level. That is all the level is a one-time payment. It's not a monthly fee, it's not a monthly auto-ship. It's a set and forget. As soon if you pay that money, you don't have to worry about it. So the gold level is $25, and there's also a $10 hosting fee for your website, your funnel, everything that they are giving you, the training to promote your business. The $10 is basically for that. I can tell you that's the only money that the company make is the $10, because they are paying you 100% commission. So once you get into the $25, you get access to training that are gonna help you to promote your business. You might be saying, okay, I don't know exactly how to do this. I'm a newbie. That's perfect, because what that's gonna do, when you purchase the $25, you access to our pre-written ads to show you exactly what you're supposed to say in your ads to attract people to it. You get cheat sheet for Facebook. So you get our cheat sheet for the video. If videos is very powerful. So if you're making videos, it show you exactly what to say in your video. If you have other businesses that you are promoting, it show you 50 ways that you can promote your business, and also a lot of mindset training, because mindset is very important when building a business. And on the platinum level, access to all of the stuff for the $25 level, and also you access to Facebook training, Instagram training, Facebook training, Instagram, and YouTube training, because that's the three powerful platform, and there's a lot of traffic there. So they teach you position your. I really wanted to show you exactly what you're getting. I'm gonna give you a little overview. For the Facebook training, all of them are packed a lot of learning exactly how to promote. All those videos, there's a lot of video. It is like a course that's going to teach you exactly what to post, how to post, so to get some result on Facebook. As you can see for Facebook, all those courses, they are all trainings to show you everything that to do. It's gonna be the same thing for Instagram, YouTube, because there's a lot of people on YouTube. YouTube is owned by Google. Google own YouTube, so a lot of people going there to look for ways to make more money online. So they will show exactly how to promote on those platforms so it's not like you're gonna sign up and then you have no idea what you're supposed to be doing. There's training in there to help you, even though we have like a Facebook group that's gonna help you as well get results. There's our support group. Anytime you have some question, you have access to any of us to answer your question. We also have the resources that you get access to. We give you a platform to post in, and also you can also buy traffic. If you do message marketing, you get access to that. And also postcard marketing. That's a template we give you that you use. You want to print out flyers, because offline is very powerful, because there's some people that don't have so that do social media, they're not on Facebook, Instagram, not on YouTube, or they do just offline. So you can put flyers on the street, like if you have somewhere, let's say your laundromat, you can ask the managers if you can put some flyers there. There's a lot of traffic there, you can authorize all the traffic. All those are flyer templates that you can use to start promoting your business. They have like template, some great postcard I use, and also it doesn't cost an arm and a leg to get them printed. They also can give you a discount when you use their services to promote. And you, with the $25 level, you get access to unlimited $25. What you also have to get qualified to start promoting. How you get qualified is when you start promoting, you pass up your second sale to your sponsor. What I mean by that, your first sale that you made will be coming to you, and the second sale will be going to your sponsor, and every sale after that will be for you. You don't have to worry about any other pass up. The only time you should be worried about pass up if you did not position yourself to get the higher payment. That's why I highly recommend for people to get the platinum package, because for example, if someone sign up with you and you only have $25 level, but they sign up under your link and they decided to upgrade to the $100 package, you will not get paid because you did not have that $100 package. That's why I encourage everybody to upgrade and position yourself to start making as much money as possible. The contact list, when you get to contact, that's where the leads, like the people that ask for information that go to your website, that's where they will be stored. So you can the system is a done for you system. Once someone put their information in your page, they put their email and name and phone number, the system will automatically start sending them email for you. You don't have to worry about it, because it takes some people at least 5 to 12 times to start to take action when they see some information. So if they sign up with you right away, it's not a problem. So by the system following up for you, they will eventually sign up and you will get in your commission. And also, if you are promoting other opportunities, you have other business that you are promoting, you can also add that in the system, in the earn with your income and your meet sponsor. You can add your information and introduce them to other stuff that you are doing. The residual income, for me, I have my econ and builder that I have as residual income. What the residual income is like when you do the work once and you get paid for the lifetime of the membership. When someone sign up with you, every time they pay their membership every single month, you'll be getting paid as well. That's what residual is. That's why I love it. That's why so that's a breakdown of what it is. When they add the diamond and the enterprise level, the diamond level will be $250 and the enterprise will be $1,000. So that will be giving you opportunities to earn bigger commission every single day. Because when you think of it, when you join, you get the $25, you get the gold level for 25, you get the platinum for 100, and once I'm on sign up with you, that will be when they sign up, they upgrade it as well. That will be $125 going directly to you. What can an extra $125 a day can do for you? I'm sure it can do a lot, because $125 times, because me, I work 6 days, I use Sundays to refresh and get everything ready for the new week. So that's extra $720 every single week that you can put in your pocket. Even though even if you want to do it, or you can do it part-time, you can do it full-time, whichever way that you want to promote it. You decide, that will be your business to promote. You decide how many hours you want to put in. It's not like you have someone over your head tell you how many hours you gotta work. That's the thing. Is not, if you're looking for a microwave process, you're looking for a get quick scheme, this is not for you. As any business that you are promoting, you're building, anything that you get to make money, you need to do the work to get some result. And also, you might be wondering if people are really getting some result with this company. Yes, a lot of people getting result with this company. We have like our Facebook proof group that a lot of us are getting result. We are adding people every single hour to the business because people are jumping on this. This is going viral. This is your time to actually get into it. What is going viral? What people getting and making money? That's your time to get started. That's your time to get started. So this is our proof group. We also have a support group that will put you in once you get started. Anytime you have questions, you can message, like, put the post in, and any of us, it doesn't have to be the exact person that message you that will answer. Any one of us that know the answer to the question that you ask will be answering you and help you all along the way. And our when you decide, if you're looking to make some money online, you already know that's the evolution. Everything is going online now, so you have to position yourself to get ready. And if you're serious about making money, you're ready to switch your financial situation, I definitely recommend that you get started as soon as possible, to get started as soon as possible, because the longer you wait is more money that you are losing on, and you don't want to sit there and say, okay, I wish I did get started sooner. So when you get started with me, like, you already, if it's your first time seeing my video, I give some great bonuses. Once you get access to the group, you get access to the training. You will be getting a coaching call with me to help you get your back office started. And also, I will be giving, when you get started for the $25 level, I'll be giving you my Facebook attraction cheat sheet, so you can know exactly what to post on Facebook to attract people to you, because I don't encourage people to go around message people, like bother people. I will teach, like, no, my ebook gonna teach you how to get people to come and ask you for information. As you can see, people are messaging me like crazy. That's how I'll be the teacher. I will give you access to this system that I'm using, the tricks and tips that I'm using to get some result myself. And also, I'll be giving you, on the $25 level, I'll be giving you 500 leads to get started. And and also, if you partner with me, like, with the whole program, go all in with me, which is the gold level for 25, platinum level for 100, and then the $10 hosting fee, which is 135. Once you get all in for 135, I will give you the Facebook attraction cheat sheet, my social media boost ebook, 1,000 lead, and access to the group, access to our training, so you can get ready and get started right away. I hope you find some great value in this video. If you did, feel free to go back and watch my other videos. Feel free to don't forget to subscribe and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also go back to my channel, watch the other videos. I have some other great information that I'm sharing, like, I have a video that can have a full overview of the system to give you a real breakdown of what it is, because this video was just to share with you about the compensation plan. But if you want a full overview about the system, there's another video. I'll be putting the link in the description to redirect you to it. Go on it if you feel like, you already got enough information that you were looking for. Get started. I'll put the link to get started down below as well. When you're done, message me on Facebook. Everything will be on the description. Message me on Facebook and let me know that you got started and that you pay your fee, whichever the level that you started with, and I'll be adding you to the group, introduce you to the team, so you can get started with the training and start making money right away. I hope to partner with you. I'm looking to work with every single one of you, and have a great day. I'll see you guys on my next video.